Breakfast na ain. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Morning. Morning, guys. It's lunchbox, yes. You want water? Today is Monday. Happy Monday. Monday, guys. So, one time lunchbox and breakfast. Kain na sila, guys.
Press any button to begin.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Yan, kape-kape na tayo, guys. Oras na. Hi, guys, daw sabi ni Harley. 8 o'clock na. So, they're need to finish. Today is Monday. May cleaner pala kami today, guys. Tignan mo yung mukha ni Riker. Seryoso pa din siya today, no? So, wala pa rin siyang... Pero siya 100%. Pero wala na siyang ganda. Right? Ayan, ngumiti na siya. You wanna say hello? Mate wants to say hello. You say good morning! Hmm? Yeah, so we have a cleaner today.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Are you Peppa Pig? Riker! Come here, Riker!
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel.
We're off to Ate's school, guys! Okay? Where are you guys? Si ate. Harley, you can't bring that to school, okay? You have to leave that here later.
Beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Hi guys! Nasa car na naman kami because it's already 12:53. Ay! Malalaglag kayo, diba? Sorry. Ano ba yan? Have the cleaners coming in today. Kaya mag-drive-thru lang kami ni Riker. Hindi na ako nagluto. Kasi later, pupunta rin kami kay Mother. Punta kami kay Mother-in-law ko. Kasi every Monday nga, doon kami nag-dinner, right? Kahit wala si Ben, punta pa rin kami dun. Kasi, visita tayo namin si Lola and si Rio. So, yeah. Gusto ko sana ng Filipino food ng pansit gasado, kaso I'm not sure kung open yung malapit na Filipino grocery. Ay, Filipino restaurant. Yan, ito kami sa playground, guys. Nandun na yung mga cleaners sa bahay. Ayan. Nag-order nga ako ng McDo. What, baby? You can go there. You can climb up there. See? You can climb up there. Just be careful. May araw pero mahangin. Yay! Well done! Good job. Alauna na pala, guys. Good job, Raika. See? Okay, let me see if you can slide on the big one. Are you, Riker? Ready? Oh, where are you? Go! Ready? Steady? Go! Try again? Okay, you try it again. Oh my god. Where's the power line? There is a power line there. You want to eat your food now? Yeah. Lamig ng hangin. Okay, eat your nuggets na, baby. Before it gets cold. It's cold now. Sige. Ang cute na mga mushroom chair dito. Oh, oopsie! Silly boy. Na-enjoy niya yung big slide na yan. Makailang ulit siya. Ay! Nilipad na. Makailang ulit siya dun. You want nugget now? Hi! Okay, you can sit now there and you can... Okay, I'll open it. Wait. There you go.
Apple juice.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers.
A nugget.
Yeah. There. Oh, you want your...
Nugget.
Oh, your fries.
Fries.
Here you go. Yeah, that's your chips. Chips pala, guys. Wait, is it called, baby? You don't want your nuggets? Later we're gonna go to Grandma. I'm gonna see Grandma and Rio. You guys, tulog na si Riker. Kanina pa yan actually. Naka-idlip na siya ng 30 minutes. So, 2:30 na. Pick up na kami soon kay ate. And then yung mga cleaner matatapos ng 3 sakto. Diba, dito lang kami nagtambay. Nakatapos ako mag-edit, guys. So, dito lang kami by the beach nagtambay. Friends, ate. Good girl. Oh. Tingnan niya, nag-science, ano daw sila, activity. Yung mukha niya. Hello. Okay, tol. Here's the paper towel din. Okay. Bahay na kami, guys. Ayun si ate, oh, nagme-merienda. Yung kaibigan ko, oh, binigyan niya ako ng dried mango. Thank you, Cha. Nagluto daw siya ng pansit. Binigyan niya ako. Ah, sarap. Meron akong ulam bukas. Yung nanay ng kaklase ni Harley to. She's a Filipino too. Lagay ko muna to sa rip. You try this one, dried mango. It's candy. Punta na kami kay mother niya, guys. Alas 4 na eh. Hanggang alas 4 na. Hindi lang ako bibili ng mga ganito nga lang kasi hindi siya maganda sa Joko. May TMJ kasi ako. Masakit sa Joko. Ayan, dito na kami sa bahay ni Lola niya, guys. Maaga kami dito kasi maaga na kami umuwi eh, kasi may pasok. Kinabukasan. Share! Mag-aaway na naman sila, guys. Bahay na pala kami. Anyway, let's go upstairs. It's bedtime. Dami ko pang ano. Nagsasampay pa si Mami. Okay. Do you wanna vlog? And show them how you brush your teeth? Can you show them? Naligo na pala yung mga yan kanina, guys. Iparta ko nila pajama. Oh, Harley, here you go. Good girl. Mommy turn, Rika. Mommy turn to brush your teeth. Morning, guys. We're up na and nagawa ko na yung lunchbox ni Harley. Si Riker tulog pa. Kaka-check ko lang nga eh. It's already 7:40. So, yan. Ako muna siyang matulog. Anyway. Hindi na ako magkakape kasi magkakape na lang ako sa school niya. Kasi may pre-coffee nga doon. Good morning! Riker have school today. What? What's that? Oh, you want to see yourself? Okay. Around though. Good morning. You say good morning to them. You're happy now. Oh my God. Do you have school today? Do you have school? Do you have Riker have school today, guys? Happy Tuesday! Riker and Ate have school today. What? Si Ate Nutella yung kanyang breakfast. Si Riker wheat bix. Nakita niyo pa si Ate. Guys, hindi ko nadala yung aking camera. But I'm up to drop the kids. It's sunny today, isn't it? Okay? Sunny. So, after I drop them, guys. Here guys, 9:37 na and na-drop ko na si Riker. Ayan. Walk na tayo, guys. At the beach. Ayan ang aking view today. It's a nice and sunny day. Ayan ang beach. Konti lang yung lakad ko today, guys, kasi kailangan ko pumunta sa Philippine Consulate para gawin yung NBI ko. Oh, look at that Spanish style house. Ganda na. Very nice. Ganda ng mga bahay dito. Tapos na ako mag-walking, guys. Hindi ko pala na-stop yung aking and workout. So I did 1.85 kilometer. So almost 2K. And nag-order ako ng coffee dyan sa may Jetty Cafe, Grange Cafe. Kasi hindi na masarap yung nakuha kong coffee kanina sa school ni Riker. And sumasakit kasi yung ulo ko. Pwede ako nagkakape, guys. Kaya kailangan ko magkape. So now, I'm off to the city. Kasi nandun yung Philippine consulate dito sa Adelaide. So, I need to do that kasi binigyan lang ako ng immigration ng 28 days to submit my police checks. So, I'm not sure kung aabot ba yun. Kailangan ko muna double check yung date, guys. Pero, tinawagan ko kasi yung Philippine Consulate sa Northern Territory. And sabi nila it takes the quickest is 10 days to get the new police check. So, the new NBI. So, mas madali siguro kapag renewing lang ng NBI. Pero kapag, I'm not sure kung bago ka lang kumuha ng NBI, kung gano'ng katagal kasi may fingerprinting pa yun di ba? I don't know. So, I don't know. Hindi ko rin alam kung same yung processing nila dito sa South Australia. Kasi sabi ko, hindi kasi sumasagot yung dito na office. Hindi kasi sumasagot yung office dito sa SA. So, tinawagan ko sila. So, sabi niya rin, hindi ko sure kung paano yung processing nila dyan ng NBI. But yeah, just punta ka lang dun. Make sure you bring ID down. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Let's go to the city. Ayan, dito na ako sa city, guys. So, nag-park ako 4 minutes away lang sa office. So, nakatayo. Malapit na dito actually din yung yung kung saan nagpapassport yung DFA nila. Australia. Ayan. Doon din ako nag-exam for my citizenship. So, yan yung DFA nila. So, and then, nandito lang yung Philippine Consulate. Ayan. Tapos na ako sa NBI, guys. Pero, binigyan lang ako. Wala doon yung consul. So, I think she's on holiday. She's back on the 16th. So, nag-book ako ng appointment sa kanya ng 16th of September pa. Kakaloka. And I only have till early October to submit yung police check ko. So hopefully umabot siya, no? We'll see. But anyway, binigyan lang ako ng blank form ng NBI. And then sabi ng assistant doon is ipilapan ko to and then dalhin ko siya sa police station para doon ako mag-fingerprint. And then ipapasign sa September 16, ipapasign ko siya dun sa consul na. And then, I think isasend ko pa siya sa Philippines, no? Kakaloka. So, that would take so, siguro tama ngayon nandun sa yung tinawagan ko na Philippine Consulate sa Northern Territory. And it will take 10 days for me to receive it back. So, yun na yung pinaka-earliest. So, baka maghingi na lang ako na extension sa immigration to submit kasi it's not enough time. You guys, alas 3 na. Tumawag ako ng ambulance kasi si Riker nagno-nosebleed and grabe yung dugo niya. Ayaw tumigil. Ang tagal. Tinan mo, duguan na kami dito. You guys, oh my God. We're driving back home now. That was full on. Grabe yun. So, nagdadrive ako. Pinikap ko siya sa childcare. And it seems fine. Pinapasok ko na siya kasi okay na siya. Alam kong okay na siya. So, pinapasok ko siya sa school today. And, okay naman siya nung pinikap ko siya. Happy naman siya. And all. Pero on the way to Harley School, sabi niya, Mommy, runny nose. So, binigyan ko siya ng tissue. Buti palagi ako may tissue dito sa car. Binigyan ko siya ng tissue, and paglingon ko ganyan, duguan na siya, guys. Like, ang dami ng, yung nosebleed niya, talagang sumisirit. So, buti na lang, nag-pull over ako agad sa street. Huminto ka agad ako sa street. And, ayaw huminto ng nosebleed niya. So, syempre, ayaw niyang, yung mga bata, di ba, hindi mo naman masabihan, hindi mo naman ma-explain na kailangan nating pisilin ng matigas para nga huminto. So, Bigla tumatawag si Ben. Hello, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm driving home now because it's busy there and I have Holly. So he seems fine when we got there. He's all happy now. He's running again. And I said to them, look, it's gonna be hard. Like she said, you have an option to, you know, wait for a nurse and a doctor to get him checked. It's up to you. So I said, look, it looks good now. Like he's happy now. No more bleeding. So I'll just take him home. And if he's lethargic again tonight, then I'll just call the virtual assistant. Then at least I'm waiting at home. You know, I'm not waiting here because it will be hard for Holly.
And they're hungry. And,
you know, So, yeah, I'm taking them home now. Hopefully it's going to be all good.
I do think, we got to get further tests because it's I don't know, it's just too
They
weird.
say must be ano lang, the heat. I said, but you know, the last time we took him to the emergency room because he had a fever, so I could understand that he nosebleed because of the high fever. But now he doesn't have any fever, you know. So what causes that? Like,
but he was silky this morning. Just don't send him there tomorrow. You better stay with you.
Yeah. So yun nga guys. So, yun na lang sinabi ko sa paramedics and sa nurse doon na tatawagan kung matamlay. Yeah, matamlay pa siya ulit mamaya. Tumamlay siya ulit mamaya gabi. Then, tawag na lang ako ng virtual doctor and nurse kasi meron naman silang online appointment dito para sa mga underage minors. At least, sabi ko, naghihintay ako ng makausap yung doctor. Nasa bahay ako. Like, you know, kesa doon na naghihintay ako doon sa nila sa waiting area nila, and then si Harley mahirapan ako sa dalawa, kaya sabi ko uwi na lang ako, and then hopefully he'll be fine na later. Hopefully hindi naman siya tumamlay na. He looks happy naman. But yeah, ayan, he seems fine naman na guys. So kumakain na ng biscuit. Nakakaloka. Niluto na ako ng dinner namin. Late na tuloy kami ng dinner. Ayan. Dinner na kami guys. Chicken. Kiev lang kami with rice and veggies. Kain tayo. Hi! Kain tayo na. Guys, dito pala kami nag-walking kami ni Riker and Tita Cha. Ayan si Tita Cha. Hindi ko pinapasok nga ito no? So, relaxing lang siya dyan. Ang ganda rin ng weather ulit. Low tide nga Dito kami sa Henley Beach. Guys, nandito na pala kami sa grocery ni Riker. Magta-top up lang kami kasi last grocery ko nung Friday pa. Balikan ko cellphone. Ngayon lang ulit ako dito ng grocery sa Aldi. So, i-check lang natin yung kanilang mga snacks ulit. Oh, ito sisot. Guys! Karen? Oh no! Little dead. What are we gonna do with them? Yeah. Milk lang pala yung nalagay ko dito. It's already 11:24, guys. What's that, baby? Yeah. Guys, Riker's gonna vacuum the floor. Okay. Oh no, I charged this one. I don't know.
No, broken. I green.
I know I cleaned it last time. But I already charged it, so I don't know what happened. Aww. Maybe mom. Wait, I'll check. Inon ko na yung ano na. Oh, diba? Hindi, yung lunch namin ready na. Mag-fish and chips lang kami ni Riker. I have to check it, love. Because I already cleaned this. Lunch na kami ni Riker, guys. Fish and chips lang kami for lunch. Ito, nabili ko kanina sa Aldi. Natikman ko to kay mother Masarap siya. ano siya, herb barramundi. And yeah, sweet potato chips. Kain. Guys, bahay na si ate. 3:26 na pala. And Riker, nakatulog nung nagsundo ako. So, kumakain lang yan ng apple and watching TV. I'll do some dishes and I'm not sure kung anong nilutuin ko for dinner. Yeah, hindi ko alam anong dinner namin, guys. Kasi kahapon nag-chicken na kami. Hindi ako bumili ng steak this time kasi wala naman si Ben. So, I'm not sure. Baka mag-itlog na lang kami tonight. Egg and rice.
Where we go?
Traffic light.
That's right.
And this one?
Go.
Very good. This one?
Sheep.
It's giraffe. This one?
Tiger.
Lion.
Lion. Queen.
Ice cream.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. This one?
Bus.
Bus.
Bee.
Very good.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Fruit.
Very good.
Tree.
Very good. You don't know this one?
Apple.
Oh, pear. Yeah.
Pear. That's right.
It's a cement truck. Wait, Carly, I'm still asking Rika.
Turtle.
Very good.
Lemon.
Kite.
Kite. Flower.
Very good.
Frog.
Frog.
Melon.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Foot. Wheel.
Very good.
Bird.
Bird. Penguin.
Penguin.
Good morning. Are you okay? I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Napulot ko yung ilong niya. You sure you want bread, Riker, huh? Because I wants bread.
Minnie Mouse, baby.
Okay. You guys say hi, guys. Happy Thursday.
Why?
Today is Thursday.
Why?
Wow. Let me just tie out this hair.
Why?
Thursday. Today, bukas uuwi na si Daddy. May flight na ni Ben bukas, guys. Tapos makarating siya dito ng Saturday morning. So 2 more sleeps, hey? 2 more sleeps and we have Daddy back. We miss Daddy. Nabili ko to kahapon sa Aldi, guys. Oh, ang cute. Ang bango-bango niya pa. Detailing spray to. Very plush yung kamay niya. Diba nalanghap ko pa? Ang tawag na yung pigtails na lang. Kasi ang cute-cute niya kapag naka-pigtails na. Papatrim ko nga to yung buhok niya yan para kumapal. Kapag due na rin si Riker magpa-haircut. Kasi gusto ko na yung short hair kay Riker. Mas bagay niya. Si Riker na nangunguna. Kala mo siya yung mag-aaral. Careful, Bob. Can you do it? Oh, you're so strong. Go, ate. Have a good day. Open. Putting ate's bag away. Good job, ate. You guys, we're here in the mall. Riker's having his cupcake. And of course, kakainin niya lang yan yung sprinkles for sure. Oh well. Thank you. And mommy's having ham and cheese croissant. Gutom na gutom ako, hindi ako nag-almusal eh. Kain tayo. Happy siya. Bahay na pala kami, guys. Ayan, natulog si Riker. Kanina pa yan. Launa na pala.
More ice cream.
Okay. I'll get strawberry, please.
Floppy ice cream.
Yes, please. With a strawberry topping, please. This one.
No,
Ay.
mommy. A spicy floppy.
Spicy? Huh? But I want the strawberry topping.
No.
Oh, okay. I didn't know you.
Here you go.
Okay, here you go. I pay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I like that
Nom, nom,
one.
nom, 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 nom.
I need to wait up for that.
All done. Thank you.
Why? Why?
Good morning. Ang kulimlim today. So, feeling ko maulan today.
Papa's.
Yeah. What do you want? Cereal? Yeah, it's 80% chance of rain. Cloudy, very high chance, most likely in the late morning and afternoon. Okay, are you gonna have this one or Cocoa Crunch?
No. I don't want it.
You don't want it?
A pepper.
Which one?
A pepper.
Oh, you want Wheat Pix?
I want to eat.
Ate can try this one. So what do you want? Can I get a haircut today, Holly?
Hi, kids. I'm Mr. Pencil.
Okay.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Tapos na sila mag-almusal, guys. Mag-alas 9 pa lang nga eh. Ayun o, naka-edit ako ng isang vlog. Second vlog ng Boracay. Ay, ano ba yan? Ayan o. Basta mag-alas 9 pa lang. Si ate nandun. Just playing here. Maulan. Can I have some coffee, please? Diba? At least happy sila mag-play na naka-edit tayo. Nag-save na siya, guys.
I done.
Okay.
Beep, beep, beep.
You have to press the heart. Good boy.
For a treat. There's half a pot of tea left.
That, mommies? Thank you. Yum. Guys, inon ko na yung TV kasi nagluluto na ako ng lunch namin. So, yan. Nag-snacking muna sila dyan. Yung atin dito. You guys, hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko ba natulog to. Natulog to, kagigising niya lang. So, 4:26 na. So, merienda sila ng prutas. Si ate hindi yan natutulog. Hindi na yan natutulog ng hapon. Tingnan mo yung buhok niya. Ayan. Kain tayong orange. Guys, gabi na pala. Nakapag-dinner na kami. We had chicken adobo for dinner. And nag-bath na rin yung mga yan. Okay. So, takbo-takbo lang siya. Ngayon ko, nagtitraining yata to for marathon. Tapos naman na yung Olympics, Riker. Good night, guys. Napatulog yung mga bata. Late ko sila napatulog today. So, it's already 9:47. Ano sila nakatulog? 9. Yeah, mag-9 na yata. So, haligo na ako and I'm just gonna watch some TV. So that's it for this vlog, you guys. Laman kami masyadong ginawa today kasi buong araw nasa bahay lang kami kasi maulan nga. But anyway, tomorrow we're gonna pick up Daddy. Daddy will be home tomorrow morning. So hopefully mga 8:30 yan naka-arrive na siya. Yeah, hope you like this weekly vlog, guys. And after the vlog tomorrow, that'll be the last Boracay vlog. Then we're back to updated vlogs. Thank you. Good night.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.